Jamaica back in the semi-final of the Gold Cup. Let's go. Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Hey, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. It not cost anything. Subscribe real quick. Listen, I'm not going to lie. I like this coach. And I like this coach not because of the way the team is playing, but I like it because he's a thinking coach. I like this coach because he knows what he wants and he requires them to do it in a certain way. And if not, you'll see changes made. And I like that because the previous coach, Tapper Whitmore, was just complete and utter shit when it comes to making choices, making decisions, difficult decisions, picking the right team, for crying out loud. But this coach, he has a very good team at his disposal, and he's using that team in increments, and I like it. So people, what did we just see? We saw a consistent 11. The starting 11 that started the first game and the second game came back and started the first round at the black knockout phase. And I like that. You can see the continuity within the team. That's very good for the progress moving forward into the World Cup qualifiers. I'm not going to lie. I like the fact that the team stick together, play together. And, you know, I saw that, listen, the goalkeeper kept punting up to Antonio over and over. But we did play the ball in the back line through the midfield at times. So I like that. I do really like that. I see that improve more. But Guatemala held on to the ball a lot. And they know how to play the football. So us winning the ball and playing it deep, nothing wrong with that at all. So I like that. I really do like that. What did we just see? This man is a thinking man, specifically, effectively when he needs to. Now, did he need to take out Lambert? Yes, he got a yellow card at the end of the first half. Maybe he needs to bring in Johnson to effectively push the team up forward, because, you know, Johnson is an attacking midfielder. He's not necessarily a holding midfielder or a box-to-box midfielder. He's more of an attacking midfielder. And that's what Jamaica had in the second half. Johnson pushed the team forward, making those passes left, right, forward, and they gave the team a little bit of an edge in the second half. The edge that Guatemala could not handle. And of course, Johnson came back and defended as well. So don't get me wrong, he was a very good defender in terms of box-to-box at a part of his game. But effectively moving forward, he was very good, pushing the ball forward, pushing the team forward. And I like that. What did we just see? Damari Gray. Damari fucking Gray. Another assist. What a fucking assist for Bell's goal. What a fucking assist that was, fam. Damari Gray, you've been effective in every single game you played. And it's just been 4 games. I really like what I'm seeing from Damari Gray. I really like what I'm seeing from Damari Gray. I need to move up forward in the league. Leave Everton and go play somewhere else in the league. Damari Gray. Damari Blood Clot Gray. Do your thing, fam. Do your bumbucker thing. What did we just see? Leon Bailey, effective at times. I'm going to say that he had a very good game today. You had a very good team. You held on to the ball well. You played the game when you were the way you're supposed to play. Try your little tricks here and there. I like that. Be effective. Be more effective. Very much appreciate the fact that you're playing the game the way you should be playing. And last but not least, what did we just see? Jamaica making it to the semi-finals of the Gold Cup. The only Caribbean team left in the Gold Cup. And we're looking to win it. The first Caribbean team to win the World Cup. Remember, Matilda, we're going for it. We are going for it. We're going in for it. We're going in for it. People, bless up yourself. Bless up others. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Manaz.